You know, it always amazed me that Windows, one of the most important things in not only the tech world but the world in general, that is being developed by one of the biggest companies in the world, can have so many problems. And the growing amount of issues has been just accelerating recently as the company has been more focused on just jamming Copilot into everything instead of actually fixing all the problems that crop up. But guess what? Microsoft have finally acknowledged it, and a concrete list of fixes they have issued to try and improve Windows to a state we'd expect from one of the biggest companies in the world genuinely looks rather promising. One of the biggest changes of direction here is the attitude towards Copilot and the jamming it everywhere no matter how little it fits and no matter how little people would actually use it, stating that they will be scaling back Copilot integrations, focusing on leaving it in places where it makes sense, but removing it from other stuff like snipping tool, photos, widgets, or Notepad. Which, by the way, this is my first time even hearing that any of those things even have Copilot, but like, why would you even need it in something like Notepad? Another thing a lot of people have been complaining about is exactly how slow and buggy Windows Explorer or File Explorer has gotten recently, and they've also said that they want to be addressing that, speeding up performance, and generally making it more reliable. Then there's also some more niche stuff that I guess are cool for one or two people that are going to use it, like for example being able to once again put the taskbar on any edge of the screen, a feature that was in previous versions of Windows but disappeared in Windows 11, so that's cool, though I have no idea what kind of weirdos do put the taskbar anywhere other than the bottom, but oh wow. And also there'll be quite a few improvements when it comes to the way that the Windows Insider program works, but also how Microsoft themselves gather feedback from it. So first off, they are changing exactly what the channels will look like, what features go into every channel, and how exactly that is being communicated to the end user, but also improving how they gather feedback from insider builds, but also from general use of the Feedback Hub, which it always kind of interested me how exactly the Feedback Hub works. I mean, we're talking about the most used desktop operating system in the world, nothing stopping anyone from just going in and submitting something, no matter how benign, into the Feedback Hub. So how exactly can a company, even as big as Microsoft, filter through everything that people can submit to it to get to the actual good advice? And I'm genuinely curious exactly how much feedback from the community they'll be listening to with this new approach. So I want to hear your thoughts on all of this down in the comments below, and this new direction that Microsoft have finally decided to take Windows 11 in to help rescue it from its current state. And while I added maybe we should check out our Patreon, because if everyone chips in $1, we'll be able to buy Windows from Microsoft and fix it for them. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Bartosz Volkan, another pseudonym, Mexican Machine, Allcroft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.